Hello, in this video we'll show you how to replace the engine oil filter and air filter on Toyota Auris 2 liters D4D. First we'll start by removing the engine cover and loosening the oil filler cap. Next we'll go underneath the car and remove the engine under tray in order to get to the drain plug and also the oil filter. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now we have access to the drain plug. The drain plug is right there, this one, and the oil filter is right there. First we'll remove the drain plug and drain the oil. Next we're going to remove the oil filter and replace it. To remove the oil filter we need to turn anti-clockwise this oil filter cap. This is the tool that I'm using to turn it. I can't get it to turn, it's screwed on very tight, so I use a long ratchet to turn it. Now I'll wait for the oil to drain a little bit and then remove the oil filter cap. That's the oil filter out. Now I'm going to replace it with a new one. This is the new oil filter that I'm going to use. There is also an O-ring that I'm going to replace on the oil filter cap. And as the oil filter replaced, then now I'm going to put it back on the car. Now that the oil is drained, I'm going to put the oil drain plug back on and tighten it. Next, I'll show you in the service manual the filling capacity and the tightening torques for this Toyota Auris. The filling capacity is 6.3 liters, some drain bolt is 38 Newton meters, oil filter cap is 40 Newton meters, and the engine oil grade is 5W30. Now I'm going to fill the engine with oil. I'm going to put about 6 liters, 6.1 liters, and then check the level. Now that I filled the engine with the right amount of oil, you can go and start the car and wait for the 2 to 3 seconds for the oil filter to fill, and then turn it off, and then wait 5 minutes, and this is the oil dipstick that you can check the oil level on. If the oil level is correct, that means oil has been replaced. If it's not correct, then add as necessary. Next, I'm going to replace the air filter. The air filter is located right there. It's held by these 2 metal clamps. Now you can lift up the air filter cover and take out the air filter. Now I'm going to put on the new air filter, put the air filter cover back on, and put on the metal clamps. And that's the air filter also replaced. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.